Antibiotics fight like soldiers. They fight against bacteria and they have different modes of actions. One of the modes of actions of these antibiotics is the inhibition of cell wall synthesis. Example of the antibiotics in this class is penicillin. What happens here is that they prevent the bacteria from forming cell wall. And cell wall is important in the bacterial survival. And when there is prevention of this cell wall synthesis, the bacteria will lose shape and they will become prone to lysis. Another mode of action of antibiotics is inhibition of protein synthesis. Example of the antibiotics in this class is tetracycline. What happens here is that the antibiotics target the ribosomes. These are the machinery protein synthesis. When they attach or interfere in the subunit of these ribosomes, they will prevent the bacteria from producing the protein needed in their growth. And when this happens, they will die off. Another mode of action of antibiotics is the inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis. Example here is ciprofloxacin. What happens is that the antibiotics interact or interfere in the synthesis of DNA or synthesis of RNA. The interference will stop this from taking place, and when this happens, it will make the bacteria not to grow, and lack of growth can bring to death to the bacteria. The fourth point is interruption of cell membrane production. Another class of antibiotics here is daptomycin. What happens here again is the interaction of the antibiotics preventing the cell membrane of the bacteria to be intact, and this will make the bacteria to be permeable, and when this happens, the bacteria will lose the cell content and will die off. Another point is blocking of metabolic pathways. Example of the antibiotics here is sulfonamides. What happens here is that the antibiotics will interact or interfere with the enzymes involved in these essential metabolites or in the synthesis of these essential metabolites like folic acid. The interruption or interference will make the bacteria to lack folic acid used for its synthesis. When this happens, there will be no growth of the bacteria, and this will lead to the death of the bacteria. Hi fans, if this video is helpful, if it makes sense, please help me share it so that other people will learn. You can always like it, you can comment. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.